If you cannot read any of these words, then this video is for you. I strongly believe that after watching this video, you will be able to read these words or any similar word without any help. Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Jasman and I have decided to start a new video series for helping you people to learn Punjabi. So the series will be divided into part A and B. A mainly focusing on writing Punjabi and B on speaking Punjabi. So let's begin with this first video of part A, that's writing. So yes, I'll be teaching you in a bit different way. I'll not be giving the complete alphabet first and say you to memorize all the letters. Instead I'll be giving some letters, some vowels, and then I'll frame some words from them to make it easier. So let's begin. The Punjabi alphabet has 35 letters and some letters that can be derived by modifying those 35 letters only. So the first consonant that I am going to teach you is P. This is how we write P in Punjabi. It has sound very similar to the English P. Don't worry about its name. I'll let you know the name of all the consonants at the end of this video. So the first vowel that I am going to teach you is Kanna, and it has the sound similar to the English A. Its sound is A, or I must write double A. So I have a good news for you, as the A in English produces many sounds. Sometimes it gives the sound of sometimes it gives the sound of A, sometimes it gives the sound of A, as in the word say man. In man it has sound of A, in about it has the sound of A. So this is not the case in Punjabi. In Punjabi this letter it's called vowel, it's called Kanna. Kanna always gives the sound of A, double A. And one thing to notice about Kanna is its height is half of all other letters of Punjabi. Here also you can notice its height is almost half of this consonant P. So writing some words from these two letters. Say we want to write Pa. Pa. So we have P, we have A. The question is how to join these two. In English we join it from here, but in Punjabi we join the letters from the top. You can see this line. We join the letters from here. So this is P, this is A. We need to join these to make Pa. Now, what about this? If I want to make it Paap. Paap is a Punjabi word that means sin or something doing something wrong. So to make it Paap, we need to add another P here. This is Paap. So yes, what about Papa? It's like this. Just notice that height of Kanna is half of P. So the next consonant that I am going to teach you is R. This is how we write R in Punjabi. Now to make it more clear, let's write some words. Say we want to write par. So we have P, we have A, and we have R. Par. This is par. What if I want to add another A at the end of this word to make it para? Para means mercury in Punjabi. So we need to add this kanna at the end. This is para. What if I want to write rap? R-A-P. So it's just reverse of the word par. This is rap. It doesn't mean anything. I'm just trying to make some random words from these three letters. And to add a at the end, it's like this. So the next consonant that I'm going to teach you is N. This is N. And writing few words using these consonants. Let's say we want to write paneer. Yeah, paneer. It's a milk product. So we want this double E sound. So now I am introducing the new vowel, that's Bihari. It's called Bihari in Punjabi and sounds as, you can say, double E. So just notice that this line is almost in center of this Bihari. So it's used like this. This becomes knee. Knee. If you want to use a Bihari with R, this becomes re, R double E. So the word was paneer, we have knee. This is paneer. Just keep one thing in mind. This A is not to be added here. If you write kanna on this place, it will make it paneer. But we want paneer. So don't add kanna here. What about this? Can you try to read this? It has P, A and N. P, A, N. It becomes pan. It's not pan, it's pan. So I think now I need to introduce another consonant. So the fourth one in this list is K. This is how we write K in Punjabi. Making some words from K. Try to read this. We have K, we have A. Ka. It's ka. What if we want to make it kaka? K-A-K-A. Just we need to repeat this thing. This is kaka. So what if we want to write car? This is car. So adding kanna at the end of this letter, this word makes it kara. What if I want to make it karan? K-A-R-A-N. This is N. We need to add N at the end of this word to make it karan. This is karan. It's also a random word. What about this? We have N, we have R, we have K. So it is nark. Nark means hell. As we say, go to hell in English. In Punjabi, it translates to ja nark ja. So the next consonant that I am going to teach you is H. This is how we write H in Punjabi. Let me write it once again for you. This letter corresponds to H. So you can notice the difference between R and H. To make it R, I just need to close it from here. Now this is R and now this is H. So don't confuse between these two, R and H. So let's write the word har. We need H, A, R. So this is H, this is R, this is A. Har means to lose in Punjabi. Harna. This is har. So this becomes harna. Har means lose and harna means to lose. So the next consonant that I am going to teach you is K. So sorry, J. K is already done. So I'll be writing it here. The sixth one in this list is J. So don't confuse this word with H of English. Let me write it another way. So this is J. Making some words from J. This becomes Ja. This becomes Job. So what about Raja? How to write Raja in Punjabi? It's not actually Punjabi. Punjabi is a language, it's not a script. The script used to write Punjabi is called Gurmukhi. I'm teaching you Gurmukhi now. Punjabi is just a language. It's written in Gurmukhi script. So the word was Raja. Raja. We need the A sound 2 times. So this is A. We have R and J. R-A-J-A. This is how we write Raja. Just keep in mind, you don't need to touch this kanna to this line. The height of kanna must be half of all other letters. So, how to write Raji if I want to end it with double E sound? We need to add this Bihari, it's called Bihari, at the end of this word. So making it Raji, this is Raji. So now just try to read this word. Can you read it? We have J in the starting, we have P, we have double A, we have N. It's Japan. If you want to make it Japan, it's like this, Japan. But now it becomes Japan. So I'm writing some more words. So let's check if you can read them. What about this one? We have J, we have H, again we have J. It's Jahaj. Jahaj means aeroplane. It's a Punjabi word. Samundri Jahaj is a ship that travels in water or sea, and Hawai Jahaj is aeroplane. So what about this one? So can you read this? It's K. It's here K. The K sound we can say. And we have R. We have J. And the double A sound. So it becomes karja. So writing one more word. This is an easy one. I think you can read it now. It's P-A-N-A. It's panna. Panna is also a Punjabi word. It's actually panna is a tool used to open nuts and bolts. So, if you remember, these are all those words shown to you in the starting of this video. And I suppose you might be able to read at least one or two out of these if you have watched the video with good concentration. So, let's write some other words. What about this? We have P, we have R, N, and this double A sound. So, it is parna. Parna. Parna is also a Punjabi word that means small turban. What about this? And the double E sound. So just try reading this. It's copy. Copy is it means copy, or you can say notebook. Notebook is called copy in Punjabi. So how to write keep? K-E-E-P, the English word. You need K, it's here. You need double E, it's here. And you need P, it's here. So try writing it. This is keep. What about peak? You need P, this double E, and K. It's here, fourth one. This is peak. What about this? Can you read it? I've added this double E sound at the end. It becomes picky. It's also a random word, just made for the purpose of learning. It doesn't mean anything. What about this? Can you read this? It's N-A-K-A. Naka. So what if we want to write park, the English word? So we want P A R K. This is P, this is A, or you can say double A. This is R, and this is K. Now you need to join all these. It's like this. The word becomes park. What about kapa? How to write kapa? We need Kapah. So K is here, it's P, A and H. This is kapa, and don't join it from here so that it doesn't look like R. It's kapa. So writing one more word, that's naraz. Naraj. This is naraz. So if I want to make it naraja, I need to add a here, or you can say the A sound. This is naraja. Naraj means to be angry with someone, and naraja doesn't mean anything. It's a random word made by me. Just to explain you. What if we want to write this keen? We need K, double E and N. Present here. So this is how we write keen. And what if we want to make it kini? This is kini. So what about jeera? Jeera means spice. It's a spice. This is jeera. 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 What if I want to make it Jiri? This is Jiri. Coming to the names of these letters, consonants, you need to mark 5 blanks and write the corresponding English letter on first, third and fourth blank. First, third and fourth, these 3. So let's say we want to name this first one. So we'll write the corresponding English letter and fill the second and fifth place with the A. So the name becomes Papa. It's not Papa, it's Papa. So let's name K. So K becomes this. Kakka. It's not ka, it's kakka. Kakka. You need to give stress on this third and fourth K. Kakka. Similarly for H. This becomes haha. Haha. So this becomes nanna. It's not nana. Nanna, papa, rara, kakka, haha, and jajja. J-A-J-J-A, jajja. Stress on the third and fourth. Third and fourth J to name it. So can you name this one? You just need to know that it corresponds to the letter S of English. It produces the same sound as S. Its name will be Sassa. I'll be covering this letter and some more in the next lesson, so don't forget to subscribe. It's Sassa. So all these consonants are done. Coming to these two, it is Kanna. K-A-N-N-A. These are not the exact spellings, but these are closest that I could bring for you. And this is Bihari. Bihari. So guys, I think this is enough for today. See you in second lesson. Maybe that will be uploaded next week or in 10 days. So don't forget to hit the like button and feel free to ask any question in the comment section below.